Hello everyone, welcome to BDS Learn classes. Myself Sanjay Verma, your science teacher. Dear students, today in this video I am going to teach you about your second chapter of chemistry, that is acid, base and salt. Okay, dear students, as you know that all the compounds are divided into following three categories: एसिड, बेस एंड सॉल्ट। जितने भी पदार्थ होते हैं उन सबको सिर्फ और सिर्फ तीन कैटेगरी में डिवाइड किया गया है। वो या तो एसिड होंगे, या तो बेस होंगे, या तो साल्ट होंगे। सो टुडे इन दिस वीडियो वी फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल स्टडी अबाउट एसिड। ओके, तो बेटा हम सबसे पहले क्या पढ़ेंगे? एसिड। व्हाट इज एसिड? एसिड क्या होता है? दैट इज कॉल्ड एज अम्ल। ओके, देयर आर डिफरेंट डिफिनेशंस अकॉर्डिंग टू डिफरेंट साइंटिस्ट, बट द मोर पॉपुलर डिफिनेशन इन केमिस्ट्री दैट इज आर्हेनियस, एसिड, बेस एंड सॉल्ट। ओके, अकॉर्डिंग टू आर्हेनियस, acids are those substances that have capacity to give hydrogen ion, H plus ion in aqueous solution. Okay, and these are present in form of hydronium ion in aqueous solution, like as acid. Suppose that this is hydrochloric acid dissolve in aqueous solution, that is water, and give H plus ion along with Cl ion. This substance have capacity to give H plus ion in aqueous solution, and these ions are present in aqueous solution in form of hydronium ion, like as this is a aqueous solution and this is a hydrogen ion. It change into hydrogen ion. So overall you can say that arrhenius acids are present in form of hydronium ion in aqueous solution. Hydronium ion, hydronium ions. Okay, this is arrhenius acid. For example, hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, nitric acid, acetic acid. These are arrhenius acid because they have capacity to give H plus ion or hydronium ion in aqueous solution. Okay, next, all the acids are categorized into following categories. Okay, number one, strong acid. Number two, weak acid. Means acids are two type. Number one, strong acid. Number two, weak acid. Weak acid. Okay, strong and weak acid. What is strong acid? All mineral acids are strong acid. What are mineral acid? The acid which is obtained from mineral of the earth, called as mineral acid. समस्त मिनरल एसिड स्ट्रॉन्ग एसिड होते हैं, प्रबल अम्ल होते हैं, एंड दीज आर ऑब्टेन्ड फ्रॉम मिनरल्स ऑफ द अर्थ. ओके, एग्जाम्पल एक्सेप्ट कार्बोनियम आयन, except H2CO3. Okay, this is a mineral acid, but it is weak in nature. Understood? Like as hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, nitric acid. These acids are strong acid and very dangerous for us. Okay, next is weak acid. Next is weak acids. Those acids which are obtained from plant and animals called as organic acid, and all organic acids are weak acid. All organic acids are weak acid and they are obtained from plant and animal. For example, acetic acid, formic acid, tartaric acid, etc. These are weak acid and are less harmful for us. Okay. There are, next is, you know that this is a hydrochloric acid, H2SO4. Okay, so sulfuric acid, this is a hydrochloric acid, this is a nitric acid. These acids are strong acid. Okay, and this is a acetic acid, this is a carbonic acid, this is a formic acid. These acids are weak acid. Okay. Next is concentrated and dilute acid. Concentrated and dilute acid. सांद्र एंड तनु अम्ल. ओके. What are concentrated acid? Students, the acid which contains less amount of water in it called as concentrated acid. ऐसे एसिड जिसमें वाटर की मात्रा कम होती है कंसनट्रेटेड एसिड कहलाते हैं. एंड दीज आर वेरी डेंजरस. ओके. एग्जाम्पल इज concentrated H2SO4, concentrated H2SO4 सांद्र सल्फ्यूरिक अम्ल, concentrated HNO3 सांद्र नाइट्रिक एसिड and concentrated H2SO4, concentrated HCl. They are the concentrated acid that have very less amount of the water. Okay. Next is dilute acid. Those acids which contains more quantity of water in it called as dilute acid, and these acids are obtained on mixing of water in concentrated acid. Means that ऐसे एसिड जिसमें वाटर की मात्रा ज़्यादा होती है डाइल्यूट एसिड कहलाता है, और इनका प्रिपरेशन कंसनट्रेटेड एसिड में वाटर को मिलाने से होता है. मीन्स ऑन मिक्सिंग ऑफ वाटर in concentrated acid there is formation of dilute acid takes place. Means if you have concentrated H2SO4, you add water in this concentrated acid, it change into dilute H2SO4. If you added water in concentrated H2SO4, it change into dilute H2SO4. Okay. So the dilution of acid takes place from the concentrated acid. Okay, and there is a precaution. The mixing of concentrated acid and water evolve large quantity of the heat. Means during mixing of concentrated acid and water, there is a large quantity of heat is evolved. So we should always be add acid in water, not water in acid. मीन्स हमें सदैव एसिड को वाटर में मिलाना चाहिए ऑन स्टेरिंग हिलाते हुए, नॉट वाटर इन एसिड, वाटर को एसिड में नहीं. इफ वी ऐड वाटर इन एसिड, देयर इज लार्ज क्वांटिटी ऑफ हीट इज प्रोड्यूस्ड, ड्यू टू व्हिच we all of us burn with acid. This is called as acid burn. Okay, so you can obtain dilute acid on adding water in concentrated acid. Okay, and there is a physical property of acid. Physical property of acid. Physical property of acid. You know that acids have tendency to give H plus ion in aqueous solution according to Arrhenius, but they have more properties, that is physical property and chemical properties. So physical property one is, the first physical property of acid is they turn blue litmus to red. Means when a blue litmus paper is dipped in an acid, it turn into red. जब कभी हम ब्लू लिटमस पत्र को एसिड में डुबाते हैं, दे टर्न इनटू रेड, वह लाल हो जाते हैं. ओके, नेक्स्ट, ऑल द एसिड्स हैव पीएच लेस देन 7. एसिड के पास या एसिड का जो पीएच होता है दैट इज लेस देन 7 से कम होता है. ओके, and the lesser pH acids are more stronger. Means जिन एसिड्स का pH जितना कम होता है वो उतने ज़्यादा स्ट्रांग होते हैं. ओके, सपोज दैट there is a two acid A and B. The pH of acid A is 3 and B is 4. Which is more strong? The acid A is more strong because it has lesser pH than acid B that have pH 4. Means if the pH value of acid is lesser than another, then the lesser pH value acids are stronger acids. Okay, more stronger. And next is acids have sour taste. Acids have sour taste. Okay, so dear students, I hope that all of you understood about definition of acid according to Arrhenius, strong and weak acid, concentrated and dilute acid, okay, mineral acid and organic acid, and a dilution of acid. or conversion of concentrated acid into dilute acid. In my next video, I will teach you about chemical property of acid. Thank you.